OnPrintShop Evolution started in 2008 to simplify technology for SME print companies. Now serving thousands of PSPs globally, including 30 plus amongst the top PI 350. We evolved our solution, services, communication with consistent upgrades year on year, having the latest technology trends. And by working very closely with customers to drive their growth. Initially, we started with do-it-yourself flash-based design tool for stationery, and later added photobook products. Now, we have product-specific configurable HTML5 3D Studio to work on any device including packaging, canvas, photo print, and more. Also, we have integrated third-party designer studios. Initially, we started storefront for only online sales as a print e-commerce. Now, we have mobile responsive bootstrap for e-commerce to provide consistent experience across multiple sales channels like online, B2C, B2B, resellers, walk-in, sales agent, and more. We started with a corporate storefront for SME B2B. Now, we have single solution to manage SME B2B, large B2B, franchisees, and multinationals including Fortune 500 companies, with auto-profiling and multiple approval rules, integrated with their punch-out system. Previously our primary focus was offering online orders management. Now, we offer centralized print order management, having a seamless post-purchase experience for both online and offline orders. We also helped one of our customers to reduce 6 employees to 2, using our job board, artwork approval, and production. Thousands of end-to-end third-party integrations tools for mailing service, designing tools, cloud storage, MIS, accounting, and many more are compatible. Previously products were imported and added through Excel sheets. Now, we have extensive product master options. With formula-based attribute price calculation, which also supports complex shipping pricing setup. There was a separate solution for multi-store, trade printer as per business profile. Now, we have launched partnership management solution to serve franchisees, resellers, and to help PSPs grow their partnership network with changing market needs, without any change in management for customers and internal team. Today, we are one of the most preferred IT partner for your Web 2 print needs, as flexible to integrate and synergize the best of technologies as per your need. And it's just the beginning.